tutorial on how to access the daily math conferencing time, which I'm hosting every day from 10 to 11 on Google Hangouts Meetup. First thing you need to do is go to Classroom. This is my view. Your view will look similar to this. Then you click on the Classwork tab. Once here, you should have access to our Classroom Google Calendar. Click on that, and it'll take you to the Classroom Google Calendar. You will notice on the Google Calendar every day at 10 a.m. is scheduled an open math conference. Ooh, also look, all the math assignments for the day or for the week will be posted as due on Friday. Anyway, back to how to conference. You click on the conference on the day that it is, so it's the 25th, so let's click on this conference, and then you'll get something that looks like this, and you want to join the Hangouts Meet. Your computer might pop up a little question asking you if you want to allow access to your camera, or if you want to allow access to the microphone. You need to click allow on both of those, otherwise I won't be able to see or hear you. Once you're here, you can see that there is the Join Now button. Click on that, and voila, you have joined the class meetup. And here you can ask your math questions. This time's not strictly for math questions. You can ask other questions, but I would like it if we tried to keep it mostly math questions. And I'd also appreciate it if you tried to do the lesson already, and like you have your questions ready for me. You know which problems, like you've circled the problems that you're not sure how to do and that you need to ask questions on. I can sit with you for your entire homework time if you just want to sit online and do your homework with my face floating on the screen. That's fine. Absolutely. I'm happy to do it. But I think we'll get the most out of this time if you try your homework on your own and with your parents' help, if they have the time and are available to help you, and then come to me with just the specific questions, the problems that you just weren't quite sure how to answer. Okay, when you're done, hang up, and that is how you join the daily Google Conference.